Them turn them back.
Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down.
Welcome guys, Greenbard back again with another reaction video to watch called the UK gang violate and attack CCtv phone footage. I call it violin for a reason. I must know why. So I jump in on the video and see what I want for you begin now. What? 35? 35, bruh? Really, dude? Dude, that is what I'm talking about. 35 men for one person. Oh, no, that's what I'm talking about, right? Why you need 35 men to fight one person? He ain't lying. An old person in the sense. That's just crazy, bro. Crazy. Oh God. And them young teen, bro, some young youth them, bro.
And lean, unruly. See the up boy said they on me. I talk like Kens, tell the up come do me. Like, I got full clip for that movie. I'm trying to do me up one juvie. Who's that? What's that? Zone 2 boy, now the Rambo's whipping with Susie. Like, who's that gal over there with a biz? That's up foot with some kids. They talk this, what's up on chit chat and get smacked up in their lips. Like, damn right, said this. Ching ching for that prick. It's ching ching for that prick. Splash him. Splash. Man, I splash with a passion.
Oh, them catch him. Oh, them catch him. Let me see this already. Let's see that one here already. Yo, them a beat him, bruh. Oh shit, run, 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 run. Oh, a gun. Oh shit, a gun to rapid. See the one here already too.
Free Blacker, free CD, free ramps, free...
Dude, what the hell? He's like, oh my god. And then when you know what the funniest thing too? When police start kill people ball out. Racist, racist, racist. Dude, I have a vision of seeing things. Me live in a majority black country. And I must say black people kill black people. You see me? So you can never say racist out here. There's no white police. Black police that kill black people. Black people that kill black people. So this racist thing doesn't make sense to me. You see me? Black people that kill black people all over the world. He ain't lying. Crazy.
Come and taste this splashing. Any blood that thinks that bad. Can't parlay me, we'll show you about badness.
Parlay bopping, the odds them dropping. Come here, got your coffin. 12 gauge long like you. Puffing, his girlfriend keeps on bopping. This money ain't stopping, the odds keep running. I'm running them down and they're tripping and dropping. I'm running them down and
you can understand, that's the only thing I'm gonna like, bro. Like, we as a race, we just stop killing each other, bro. Honest to God. And if we don't say it don't happen, the looted and very stupid. It's very obvious. Look on the country them where have more black population, like literally the black side population. And I see how much things want there, it's like it's evident. You see me? Evidence, bro. I wish it wasn't like that, bro, but oof, fucked up, bro.
taking risks. The 9 boys don't know about that. Shouts on my brody black Somali boy that's trapped in the.
That's some white boy. Man, I chop up on the man to below. What's it?
This money is stopping. The us keep running. I'm running them down and they're tripping and dropping. I'm running them down and they're tripping and dropping. Partly bopping, the odds them dropping. Come here, got your coffin. 12 gauge long like yo. Coffin, his girlfriend keeps on bopping. This money is stopping. The odds keep running. I'm running them down and they're tripping and dropping. I'm running them down and they're tripping and dropping.
Dude, much them store owner they would have a gun, bro. Like, dude, I wouldn't mind them have like a shotty underneath the table. I think that would be the best thing ever. As soon as them turn them back, I put them head that way. Big man thing. No mercy for them, bro. That me I tell you, no mercy. Dude, I just don't like thief. People who steal, I hate those people, bro. Honest to God. Thief, I don't like them, bro.
You don't wanna see man pull up on grease. She heard my song, she letting me be. I'm with double O, you ain't GD. Mom's in R, you screaming out please. It wasn't me, must have been SD. My old team, she 10 out of 10. My new team look better than that. But back to the floor, back to the rap. Since go step, respect this gang.
Oh, now try to fight the security guard.
Respect this gang.
Feeling 300.
Yo, man, a box at the blow. Oh, the police. Yeah. Yeah, move, fool. That dude look like him drunk, bro. Dude look like him drunk. Move, near face, boy. What the hell?
Pull up and do man's kidney. Ops are stressed that there ain't no death, so we get chingy, they chatty and chitty. This girl pretty but way too clingy. Sinners just bop and leave man drenched. Them man hide and they try hot fence.
That's like about, whoa, that's like about 20 person right there.
Last time I lost no friends.
It's a huge ass group fight. Dude, let me know them fight, man. Cut it up, bro. I think, oh, I'm out of here, bro. Oh, shit. Yo, watch it. 20 points upon one.
If I rise and turn it, I'm aiming high, trying to leave man dead. Or splash man down with face, I don't give a toss, I'm tapped in the head. And if I hear you protect your chest, I'll back up my shank, dip man's head. Fuck a ballistic.
Oh, no, I know why the white people dead now. No, I know why people dead in London. So, when all those guys beat that one guy and don't kill him, when him escape, him going to tell all of them friend them, and them going to go for everybody who them can go for. No, I solve the way why crime up in London. So when I go beat them at one man day now, and then they go for film friend them and come catch someone who up on the road and kill them. Yep. Cause I thought that because them do that young, them about 15-year-old.
I find out funny cause all the man then roll back like eyes. I didn't need to take the piss, but your friends resting in piss. The other one is in my wrist, and the other getting moved on the strip. Straight cash that's
17-year-old, let them young, bro, be a kids. All them are kids, bro. Even the one of them probably do the stabbing at like probably 18, 19. And the chills that I done so deadly, but don't answer my age or Kelly. And if you ever knew my age, I'll bet you change how you think. You ask me how he got changed, but I can't say that, put my life at risk. I know what the funniest thing though, if me was some of the police them, bro, if I see nobody out with a black pull over me, I'll stop them and try to search them or something, bro, because that's how they hide all the night. To me, all of them wear a black tracksuit, most of them have knife on them. So then I stop them and say, oh, search me, I'm searching over the business, what? Fuck this law. I'm the authority here. You see me? But anyway guys, it's another reaction video. This was sick as always, but as me I say, I just wish people just live in peace and stop the bag of crap. And when me believe you have to do strict things to make people stop. You see me? Introduce death penalty or something like that. You see me? Because without deterrent, people not gonna learn. Human being like to just live free and do anything they want, but without deterrent, they might just do everything, you see me? So, peace out.